Everyone, welcome back to my blog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Miss Pinay Blog. For today's blog, we're having lunch, Popeye chicken for lunch. We have mashed potatoes and biscuit and um, jelly and mustard for dipping sauce. So let's enjoy and have a good lunch, everyone. Hello, hello to you all. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello, everyone. It's me again, Miss Pinay Blog. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe. Please don't forget to pull the notification bell. Hit all for more updated for the next vlog. And let's eat and enjoy and God bless everyone. Trying to open the spoon, but cannot open it. So let's enjoy it and God bless. See you again soon for the next vlog. It's me again, it's been my blog. Thank you for watching, everyone. God bless and see you again soon for the next vlog. It's biscuit and chicken drumstick from Popeye Chicken. Chicken drumstick from Popeye Chicken. And mashed potato right here. So just enjoy it and eat lunch. Everyone is kind of late lunch for me, so it's five minutes before 4. Try to open the pork, it won't come out. I don't know why it's not opening. So try to open it so we can scoop the potatoes, mashed potato, out of the bowl, but my pot is in the way. And there you go, everyone. Is the yummy mashed potato from Popeye. Yummy mashed potato from Popeye. So let's eat, enjoy, and God bless everyone and have a good day. Happy Thursday to you all. Have a good weekend. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. And it's month of June the 5th. So summer is around the corner. So thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. My cat cannot wait to have piece of chicken. She loves Popeye chicken. She loves Popeye chicken. Sasha, look at me. This is Sasha. She loves Popeye chicken. So God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless. She's patiently waiting for a piece of chicken. Sasha, look. Sasha, look at me. Say hi to the viewers and subscribers. Hello. Hello, everyone. It's me, Sasha. I'm patiently waiting for my yummy chicken from Popeye. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Sasha, look. Look at me. And then the other cat right there. Look, look, look. Sasha, look at me. Sasha, look at me. Say hi. Hello, hello. Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless you all so long. And see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you. It's me again. It's been a vlog. See you again soon for the next vlog. Let's eat, enjoy, and God bless you all. So long, everyone, and have a good day.